Hello, children. My name is Sam. Today I'm going on a jungle walk. Let's see what animals we can find in this jungle. Are you ready, children? Let's go. Going on a jungle walk. I am excited. The animals could be anywhere. I am excited. Oh, look! A tall tree. Let's climb the tree. Rustle, 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 rustle. Stop! What animal is that? It has a long brown tail and it loves to eat banana. Let's listen. It's a monkey! Going on a jungle walk, I am excited. The animals could be anywhere. I am excited. Oh no! A mountain. Let's hike over the mountain. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, look! What animal is that? It has a long neck and spots on its body. Listen. It's a giraffe. Going on a jungle walk, I am excited. The animals could be anywhere. I am excited. Oh no! A tall grass. Let's go through the tall grass. Swish, 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 swish. Oh, look! What animal is that? It has a long body and no legs. Listen. Oh, it's a snake. Going on a jungle walk, I am excited. The animals could be anywhere. I am excited. Oh no! It's a river. Let's swim across the river. Splash, 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 splash. Oh, look! What animal is that? It has a large body with short legs and it's green. Listen. It's a crocodile. Going on a jungle walk, I am excited. The animals could be anywhere. I am excited. Oh, look! Oh, it's a cave. Let's creep into the cave. Tip-toe, 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 tip-toe. Oh, what's that? It is black and furry. Listen. It's a black panther. Ah, run! Swim across the river. Splash, 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 splash. Go through the grasses. Swish, 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 swish. hike over the mountain. Hop, pop, hop, pop, hop, pop, hop, pop. Run around the tree. Rustle, 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 rustle. Phew. I made it. I went on a jungle walk and I was excited.